Yeah, you know I want chopper life, you know. And you know where I live that, though. I'm more rum pa my table, a chrome pa my neighbor. Alone fun cause we able, knock them out how we do it. And I get wild when they grab her with the rum soak. Man pile, yeah, we bad and we no run joke. Skull a file, so no bother with the gun sport. I feed the Kyle, we got chad and it a comfort. Chip up the eyes, make it any pour out. Yeah, me feel nice, that's what me sure about. Weed when me fly, when they say me source out. From the grab a leaf right, everywhere me tour out. Portmore, money enough so we not think twice. Slap with the bar, we not taxing price. Me bad brother ROG drive out with a browning, so me make a dark skin choice. Colors out and the bar sting bright. Fling with the grabber if you not sting right. Tell you what to be like how the drawstring tight. Fi be miss everlasting right. Tell I get wild when the grabber with the rum soak. Man wild, yeah, we bad and we no run joke. Skull a vile, so no bother with the gun sport. I fi the Kyle, we got chad and it a comfort. Chip up the eyes, make it any pour out. Yeah, me feel nice, that's how me sure about. Weed me fly when me say me source out. From the grabber leaf right, everywhere me tour out. Watch ya now, the place nice, base color pan the ground. Campari put little color pan the rum. Tell you no me never afraid of no man from me young dogs. Smaddy you forget it from me whole and from me. Hey, champagne bubble and so me jala galang. Give her piece of brick make she go down it pan a salon. Chop a live it you know fi study we no come on. Anyway we got the money fi come along. I'll get wild when they grab her with the rum soak. Man wild yeah we bad and we no run joke. Skull a file so no bother with the gun sport. After the Kyle we got chad and it a. Hey, chip up the eyes make it any pour out.
Hey, give it up to Black Talent. Wagwan, where you are, some Jenna?
Just for some clarification, the drawstring is a drawstring bag. The bag where you draw the string.
All right, the man doesn't make it clear. Hey, to the public, I did to all the judges right here. Big up myself, Black Talent. You always found with something new. Hey, big up my like this. Hey, stand up here, some Jenna. You don't get the score a bit. What you mean? All right, General. Black Talent there. 100% talent, Jamaica.
100% authentic artist, original artist, bad artist. May I tell you something? You have a rock. You have a rock. You see the rock there? You see anytime you start incorporate the rock there in your performance, a trouble. You don't know if you know a rock, you know. When it, only if you know it. Only if you know it. So you need to incorporate it more in your performance.
Yo, boss.
So for me, it's a solid 7, my general. Hold them.
Harley. All right, Lady Tash. Lady Tash. Hey, she just go right down the score too, you know.
I love this contestant. You're so consistent. You just have a different flair and a little flavor to you, and your swag always up there. For real, it's a solid 8 from me. I just wanted like a more interaction, you know. But yeah, do your thing.
Straight up. All right. Yeah, Black Talent. Nero.
Black Talent is a 8 for me, said we. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's a 8.
Keisha, Las Vegas.
I always have fun with the music, and your style is different. Your voice, and you like a vibe, and you like a bounce. So I give you a 9. I really enjoyed it. All right?
All right, Black Talent, what you say?